A very good morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are doing very well. This is Sangeeta Mahavar, your social study teacher, and students, today we are going to start a new chapter of your textbook, that is chapter 8, Local Government. Students, in this chapter we are going to learn about the government of a country and the different forms of government which is present in our country, that are present in villages, towns and cities. So let's move forward. There are a number of agencies which take care of our country. One is governmental and another one is non-governmental. Governmental includes Gram Panchayat that works in village, municipal councils that work in town, and municipal corporation that work in cities. And non-governmental agencies are NGOs. Students, we all know that India is an agriculture country and most of the population lives in villages. So students, the local government body that manages the affairs of rural peoples is called Panchayat. First we are स्टडिंग अबाउट पंचायत कि पंचायत क्या होती है। तो पंचायत ऐसी लोकल गवर्नमेंट बॉडी होती है जो गांव में होने वाली सारी गतिविधियों या फिर जो भी अफेयर्स होते हैं उनको मैनेज करती है। सो वी कॉल दैम पंचायत्स। एवरी विलेज हैज अ ग्राम पंचायत। हर विलेज की अपनी एक ग्राम पंचायत होती है जो उस विलेज को मैनेज आउट करती है। इन मोस्ट ऑफ द विलेजेस सम सीट्स आर रिजर्व फॉर द बैकवर्ड क्लासेस एंड फॉर वुमेन। स्टूडेंट्स, ज्यादातर विलेजों में जो रिजर्व सीट्स होती हैं किन के लिए? बैकवर्ड ST SC जो क्लासेस के जो पीपल्स होते हैं उनके लिए रिजर्व्ड होती है ताकि वो भी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का पार्ट बन सके। This gives an opportunity to every group to be a part of village administration. Now students, members of Gram Panchayat are elected for the 5 years. So, कितने years के लिए हम members of Gram Panchayat को select करते हैं? अगर select हो रहा है तो for 5 years. Members of the Gram Panchayat are elected for a tenure of 5 years and it was elected by whom? By the villagers. Now students, the head of the Gram Panchayat is called as Sarpanch. The head of Gram Panchayat is called as Sarpanch. There is also an Up-Sarpanch or a Deputy Sarpanch. सबसे ऊपर वाले को सरपंच बोलेंगे और सरपंच से जो नीचे की पोस्ट पे होगा वी कॉल दैम उप सरपंच और डेप्यूटी सरपंच। द ग्राम पंचायत इट लुक्स आफ्टर द कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड रिपेयर एंड लाइटनिंग ऑफ द रोड्स। इट ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड्स हेल्थ सर्विसेज इन द विलेजेस। इट टेक केयर ऑफ डिस्पोजल ऑफ गार्बेजेस। It runs the primary schools also. Gram Panchayat also take care of running of the primary schools. It arranges fairs and festival. मेले और फेस्टिवल को भी वही arrange out करती है। It also ensures the supply of clean water, clean drinking water to the villagers. When required, जब रिक्वायर होती है तो इट ऑल्सो ऑर्गेनाइज डिगिंग ऑफ दी वेल्स। व्हेन इट इज रिक्वायर्ड, जब पानी की कमी होगी तो वो डिगिंग ऑफ वेल्स भी, जो कुओं की खुदाई भी करवाती है। इट हेल्प्स द फार्मर्स by providing seeds and fertilizers to farmers. अच्छी क्वालिटी की seeds and fertilizers भी farmers को provide कौन करवाता है? हमारी ग्राम पंचायत in the villages. It also encourages the planting of trees in the village and around the village to protect the environment. अब जो ग्राम पंचायत होगी वो लोगों को क्या करेगी, एंकरेज करेगी कि वो लोग प्लांट ज्यादा से ज्यादा प्लांट्स उगाए। क्यों उगाए? टू प्रोटेक्ट और एनवायरमेंट, टू मेक अ एनवायरमेंट ग्रीन and blue. As students, we have completed about the Gram Panchayat. Now we will move to a municipal council. Student, as Gram Panchayat take care of village affairs, municipal council take care the welfare of town and cities. Area with a population of more than 25,000 have a municipal council. Students, the people living in that area or town elect the members of municipal council, and these members are called as what? Councillors. Students, these councillors from themselves अपने अंदर से ही प्रेसिडेंट एंड वाइस प्रेसिडेंट को इलेक्ट आउट करते हैं। एंड हमारी जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट है वो एक चीफ ऑफिसर को सिलेक्ट करती है। एंड देन दिस चीफ ऑफिसर select and make a team of officers to manage the work of the councillors. Students of municipal council take care of drinking water, primary education, public dispensaries, firefighting services and garbage disposal. It also take care of maintaining proper sewage and drainage system. It take care of doing the registration of birth and death, कि कितनी डेथ हुई और कितने बेबीज के बर्थ हुए हैं उसका टेक केयर, उसका रजिस्ट्रेशन का टेक केयर भी कौन करेगा? हमारी म्युनिसिपल काउंसिल. It also take care of building and maintaining roads and streets, gardens and public parks. It runs the setting up of and the running of the fair, price shop and public libraries. As student, we have finished about municipal council. Now we will move to municipal corporation. In big cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata have municipal corporation. Any city with a population of more than 10 lakh has a municipal corporation. The total number of members of municipal corporation depend upon the population of that city. The city is divided into wards for election process. Election process के लिए city को क्या ward में divide out कर देते हैं. Members of municipal corporation. Now the members of municipal corporation is selected for the term of 5 years. और कौन select करता है? The people living in that city. Students, each ward is representative by a elected member, and that members of municipal corporation जो होते हैं, जो हम लोग सिलेक्ट करते हैं, उन्हीं में से वो अपने आप में से ही एक मेयर एज वेल एज डेप्यूटी मेयर सिलेक्ट करते हैं. और जो मेंबर्स ऑफ म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन होते हैं, वी कॉल देम कॉर्पोरेटर्स. और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट सिलेक्ट एन ऑफिसर who take cares the work of these mayor, deputy mayor and members of municipal corporation. Students, municipal corporation take care the same work as the municipal council. As student, we have finished now municipal council, and now we will move to a non-governmental organization, that is NGO. There are various NGOs that are working around a area for the improvement of a community. These are the NGOs like Help Age India, Akansha, Child Right and You, and many more. They provide services like educating street children and illiterate adults. They also help in setting up of the orphanages and old age homes for the children and the old peoples. They also provide free medical services all over India. So students, now this chapter is finished, and if there is any query or doubt related to this chapter, you can ask me anytime.